This is best YouTube marketing tool for affiliate marketers or advertisers, who are always looking for ways to increase their return on investment, but this can be hard to do if you don't know how to effectively target your audience. TubeMatic is a new tool that allows advertisers and marketing professionals to quickly find relevant ads on YouTube, related to the products they want to promote. From banners, to ad copy and landers, while also finding the videos you can actually advertise on without creating your own videos. Be in front of your targeted potential buyers easily without doing any guesswork. By far this is the easiest and most affordable way for businesses, affiliates, or e-com store owners, of all sizes and budgets to reach more customers with greater precision than ever before. Solution: we've made it easy for anyone running YouTube video ads or Google Display Network campaigns by providing access to hundreds of highly relevant and popular monetized YouTube videos in one convenient place. With our tool you'll spend less time searching through irrelevant content and more time creating targeted ad campaigns that deliver real results. And together with our easy step-by-step training on maximizing results as an affiliate marketer promoting other people's offers for high return on investments easily, while building a targeted list easily.
So, do you like our video? Give us thumbs up. Comment below. Subscribe to our channel. And activate bell notification. Support our work to appreciate you.